The 3-3-3 Japanese walking routine that's transforming heart health worldwide. Hey, even you have been told for years that 10,000 steps a day keeps you healthy. But wait, what if I told you that's not entirely true? In Japan, scientists have found a new way to walk that's giving people stronger hearts, faster stamina gains, and longer lives. It's called the 3-3-3 walking routine, and it's now replacing the 10,000 step myth. So stay till the end, because once you learn this, you'll never walk the same way again. You will be surprised to know that 10,000 steps is just a number. Most people walk them slowly, scrolling on their phones or talking, not realizing that slow, casual walking barely challenges the heart. According to researchers, your heart only gets stronger when it's pushed, even a little. That's where the Japanese routine changes everything. This secret formula was developed in Japan, and study shows that alternating between fast and slow walking could boost heart fitness, lower blood pressure, and improve metabolism faster than steady walking. Here's how to do it. It's simple, scientific, and shockingly effective. Walk fast for 3 minutes. This means your heart rate goes up, your breath gets heavier, but you still can talk in short sentences. Then walk slowly for 3 minutes. Allow your body to recover, breathe deeply, and feel your heartbeat slow down. Next, repeat this cycle 3 times. That's 18 minutes total. Add a few minutes of warm-up and cool down, and you have got your perfect 30-minute heart workout. And do you know, just 30 minutes of 3-3-3 walking style can increase up to 20% better heart endurance in 8 weeks. And the best part of it is, you can do it anywhere, your park, your terrace, or even a hallway. Because the science behind it is very simple and quite amazing. Participants who followed this method for just 5 days a week, and after just 12 weeks, their aerobic capacity improved by 20%, leg strength by 10%, and blood pressure dropped significantly. That's not all. Their body's mitochondria, the energy factories of your cells, became more efficient and started burning fat faster. Essentially, this is HIIT for walkers. Low impact but high reward. So, while others chase numbers, the Japanese are chasing results. But before you give it a shot, just remember these 4 things. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and eyes forward. Next, during brisk phases, swing your arms naturally. Don't clench your fist. Next, breathe rhythmically. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. And listen to your body. If 3 minutes feels tough, start with 1 minute fast with 2 minutes slow. Gradually, your stamina will rise. This walking style helps even people with joint pain or mild heart issues because it's intense enough to work but gentle enough to sustain. Now let's see the real-life results with experts' insight. Japanese elders who follow this method report better sleep, improved mood, and a visible boost in energy. Even cardiologists now have started recommending this 3-3-3 walking secret for adults over 40, calling it a longevity-friendly workout. Do you know 30 minutes of interval walking is same as cardiovascular benefit of 30 minutes of normal walk? Because it's not how much you move, but how wisely you move. This 3-3-3 method strengthens the heart by teaching it to adapt. It tries to recover efficiently. That's the real secret. It trains your heart's flexibility. But do you know there are few secrets of 3-3-3 walking formula which I have covered in another video. If you want to know more about it, then click on the video popping up on your screen now. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button before trying this 3-3-3 walking secret. See you in the next video.